Welcome students to SUNYA IAS. So guys, we are launching today the GS paper 3 mains crash course. And in this video guys, we'll be discussing about that what all we are going to give you in this course. So the course deliverables which are very important that will be discussed. Now, see guys, just like you have an objective of enriching your score in mains, उसी तरीके से guys, we also have an objective of ensuring that you score 120 plus marks in GS paper 3, and that too we cover your entire syllabus in just 50 hours. That is our objective of launching this course. And what all we'll be providing you to achieve this objective, let me highlight that. The most important part of this course is, guys, thematic coverage of each subject. Thematic. You are pretty sure that GS paper 3, guys, which is the most diversified paper. Now, this consists the syllabus of Indian economy, internal security, environment, science tech. Now, if you look at the questions, guys, from each subject, there are questions. But how to cover this most diversified paper? We will be covering it by the themes. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Like, see, internal security, when we'll cover, that will be covered through 5 themes. So that we are able to cover complete syllabus of internal security, and that too in the most precise and relevant manner. ऐसा नहीं कि मैं आपको सिर्फ और सिर्फ कहानियां बता रहा हूं, no. And in every themes, guys, in every themes, whatever the issues that will be covered, again, only and only from the mains exam perspective. Like if I talk about challenges due to communication networks, we'll be talking about social media, how it is impacting internal security. We'll talk about cyber security. Clear? Like this. And we'll be specifically dealing with respect to issues and how it is relevant for the mains examination. Not just only internal security, you see the themes of Indian economy, which is very important. Indian economy will be covered through 5 themes. You see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the most important, agriculture and food security. We will be starting our GS paper 3 from this pillar only. Under agriculture and food security, number of issues. And each issues will be covered in such a manner that you have enriched content for every issue. Now, when I'm talking about enriched content, guys, let me tell you that means the focus on keywords. The focus on keywords which can directly be produced in the mains examination. Then these keywords or these points can help you in writing number of, I would say, points in the examination. But it has to be supported by specific information. और ये जो specific information है, that involves government initiatives or the factual information or the examples, recent examples, case studies. That is called the specific information, guys, जो आपको 120 plus पहुंचाएगा. The keywords that can help you in moving towards 100 and plus 110 around number. But ये जो specific information है, that will be learning and how to be used in each question, that will ensure that you score 120 plus. And let me tell you guys, आज के टाइम पे अगर आप टॉपर्स का स्कोर देखोगे, 120 plus in GS paper 3 is a very good score. Then third theme, if I talk about the third part of this topic, this course is generating dimensions of any topic. Now, every year you see there might be 1 to 2 bouncer questions. Bouncer questions का मतलब मैं ये आपको बोल रहा हूं, which you might not have read of, might not have studied, कुछ उसके keywords नहीं है हमारे पास, but still we have to write the answers. So the point is, you should be that analytical enough, your mind should be that, having that analysis कि आप किसी भी टॉपिक की डायमेंशंस जनरेट कर सको, so that you can at least attempt the question and score at least 30% marks. जैसे हम अगर कीवर्ड्स और स्पेसिफिक अगर लिखेंगे किसी क्वेश्चन में, we can get around 50 to 60% of marks. But certain questions guys, there are certain topics जिसके बारे में less information होती है. Less information, उसको भी जो कैसे attempt कर सकते हो, that art you will learn during this course. And lastly guys, GS पेपर 3 में अगर आपने करंट अफेयर्स को इंटरलिंक नहीं किया विद द स्टैटिक इश्यूज, और आई वुड से विद द इश्यूज, देन आपका कंटेंट जो है गाइस, इट विल बी लेस स्पेसिफिक, आई वुड से लेस गुड एज कंपेयर टू द अदर्स. सो आपको देखना है कि आपका जो कंपटीशन है गाइस अराउंड यू, द कंपटीशन आपको कैसे उससे बेटर करना है. एंड दैट्स व्हाई गाइस, this course is so scientifically designed in such a way that you get an edge among your peers. Your topics, your syllabus is covered comprehensively, each and every topic, and that too in the most precise manner by giving you the keywords, specific, everything. Clear? So now this course have been launched guys. In case you want to take admission, what you can do is you can visit to the website sunyaias.com. You can visit to the website sunyaias.com. In case you want to contact, you need to know more about the course, you can contact on this number 8279 688 595. And in case you want to message on Telegram, you can message on @Sunya IAS. So any information you want or admission you like to take, you can visit to this website and contact on this number. So take care guys. See you in the course.